Did you know that dementia ranks among the seventh leading causes of death worldwide? Right now, more than 55 million people globally live with dementia, and each year nearly 10 million new cases emerge. Alzheimer's, the most common type of dementia, accounts for 60 to 80% of cases. While these statistics may seem daunting, there's hope. The choices you make, especially with your diet, can protect your brain. Studies have shown that certain foods can enhance memory, improve focus, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In today's video, we'll explore 10 powerful superfoods scientifically proven to protect your brain and boost cognitive health. Before diving in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell to stay updated with valuable health tips. Also, drop a comment below to tell us where you're watching from. We'd love to connect. Alzheimer's versus dementia. What's the difference? Many people confuse Alzheimer's disease with dementia, but they're not the same. Dementia is a broad term referring to a group of symptoms like memory loss, trouble with language, and impaired problem-solving skills that affect daily life. Alzheimer's disease is one specific cause of dementia, involving protein buildups like beta-amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain, along with neuron damage. In cases where dementia is caused by Alzheimer's, it's known as Alzheimer's dementia. Broccoli isn't just a side dish, it's a superfood for your brain. Packed with vitamin K, it's linked to better memory and cognitive function. Sulforaphane, a compound in broccoli, promotes nerve tissue repair and supports brain health. Additionally, broccoli contains vitamin C and flavonoids, which protect the brain from free radical damage and improve blood flow. How to enjoy steam or roast broccoli for a quick side dish. Add it to stir-fries, casseroles, or soups. For an extra brain boost, try broccoli sprouts, which have even higher sulforaphane levels. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is crucial for maintaining brain structure and function. Since our bodies don't produce DHA, it's vital to get it from food. Experts recommend eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week to reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Extra virgin olive oil is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, which has been linked to lower rates of age-related cognitive decline. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. How to enjoy: drizzle olive oil over salads, mix it into dressings, or use it as a dip for bread. It's also perfect for sautéing vegetables or as a healthier alternative to butter in baking. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, plant compounds that give them their vibrant blue color. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to brain aging. Studies show that regularly eating blueberries can improve memory and executive function. How to enjoy: toss blueberries into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Snack on them fresh or frozen, or use them in baked goods like muffins for a delicious brain-healthy treat. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao is rich in flavonols, compounds that increase blood flow to the brain. This ensures your brain receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Flavonols also help improve mood by boosting serotonin levels. How to enjoy: eat 1 to 2 ounces of dark chocolate daily. Avoid milk chocolate, which contains more sugar and fewer brain-boosting compounds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with nutrients like magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper, all of which support brain health. Magnesium regulates mood and promotes sleep, while zinc and copper are essential for nerve communication and oxygen transport. How to enjoy: sprinkle pumpkin seeds on salads or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them roasted as a crunchy snack. Eggs are a great source of choline, a nutrient vital for brain cell communication. They also contain vitamin B12, which prevents brain shrinkage and supports the nervous system. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants found in eggs, protect against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. How to enjoy: scramble, poach, or boil eggs for breakfast. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or soups for a nutrient-packed meal. Coffee isn't just a wake-up drink, it's a brain-boosting powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants, coffee supports brain health by improving blood flow and protecting against oxidative stress. It's particularly rich in caffeine, a natural stimulant that enhances alertness and focus by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel tired. Coffee also boosts the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which improve mood and cognitive performance. Studies show that drinking 2 to 4 cups of coffee daily may reduce the risk of cognitive decline, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Additionally, coffee has been found to lower the risk of depression by increasing the brain's feel-good chemicals. Pro tip: Choose high-quality dark roasted beans and grind them fresh for maximum benefits. Avoid adding too much sugar or flavored creamers, as these can counteract the health benefits. If you're sensitive to caffeine, opt for decaf coffee, which still contains many beneficial compounds. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines, is renowned for its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that can cross the blood-brain barrier, making it especially beneficial for brain health. Studies show that curcumin helps clear amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease, and reduces inflammation, which is a significant factor in cognitive decline. One of the most exciting benefits of turmeric is its ability to increase BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes the growth of new neurons and supports brain plasticity. Higher levels of BDNF are associated with improved memory, mood, and learning capacity. How to use turmeric. Add it to soups, curries, and rice dishes for a flavorful boost. Drink it as a tea by combining turmeric with warm water, black pepper, and ginger for better absorption. Consider taking curcumin supplements if recommended by your doctor, as they can provide concentrated doses of this brain-boosting compound. Nuts are one of nature's most complete snacks, offering a combination of healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. They are particularly rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative damage and age-related decline. Walnuts in particular are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the brain and improve memory and focus. Studies show that consuming nuts regularly is associated with better cognitive function and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Almonds and hazelnuts also contribute to brain health by providing niacin, a B vitamin linked to improved mental clarity and reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. How to enjoy nuts. Snack on a handful of unsalted nuts daily, around 1/4 cup or 30 grams. Mix them into oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for added crunch and nutrients. Blend them into homemade nut butter for a delicious and brain-healthy spread. While incorporating these brain-boosting foods is essential, maintaining cognitive health also depends on making smart lifestyle choices. Here are some practical tips to support your brain. 1. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is one of the most effective ways to promote brain health. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that support neuron function. It also stimulates the production of BDNF, which encourages the growth of new brain cells and strengthens existing ones. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. 2. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is when your brain does its housekeeping, clearing out toxins and consolidating memories. Poor sleep quality is linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down. If you struggle with sleep, consider supplements like magnesium glycinate or natural remedies such as chamomile tea. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a significant toll on your brain, leading to elevated cortisol levels and shrinking the hippocampus, the area responsible for memory and learning. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to manage stress effectively. Journaling or spending time in nature can also help you feel more grounded and focused. 4. Stay socially engaged. Social interaction stimulates the brain and helps maintain cognitive abilities. Engaging in meaningful conversations, participating in group activities, or simply spending time with loved ones can prevent feelings of isolation, which are linked to cognitive decline. Volunteering, joining clubs, or taking up a group hobby are excellent ways to stay socially active. 5. Brain training activities. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Activities like solving puzzles, learning a new language, or playing a musical instrument can enhance neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections. Reading books, taking online courses, or practicing memory exercises are also great ways to keep your mind sharp. 6. Follow a low-carb, high-fat diet. The ketogenic diet, which emphasizes low carbohydrate intake and higher healthy fat consumption, has been shown to improve brain function. Reducing carbs helps lower neuroinflammation and stabilizes blood sugar levels, which are crucial for mental clarity and focus. Include plenty of leafy greens, avocados, fatty fish, and olive oil in your meals for optimal brain health. 7. Include choline-rich foods. Choline is a nutrient essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. Foods like egg yolks, organ meats, fish, and broccoli are excellent sources of choline. Adding these to your diet can enhance brain plasticity and cognitive performance. Your brain is the command center of your body, responsible for everything from memory and emotions to decision-making and problem-solving. Protecting it as you age is essential, and your diet plays a central role in this process. By incorporating the 10 superfoods we've discussed, broccoli, fatty fish, olive oil, blueberries, dark chocolate, pumpkin seeds, eggs, coffee, turmeric, and nuts, you can nourish your brain and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Additionally, pairing these foods with healthy lifestyle habits like regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and brain training will further protect your cognitive abilities and support overall well-being. Do you already eat any of these brain-friendly foods? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments and check out the related videos on our channel for more health tips.